Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Airpods model and matching ear tip size. Different models use different mounts. Once done, wash your hands and place everything on a clean, flat surface so small parts don't roll away. Inspect each tip closely for tears or debris. A compromised tip won't seal. Make sure the opening faces the correct direction. You'll hear a faint snap when attached properly. Begin with the left tip so you build a consistent habit, and have the case open and ready. Now align the tip's inner stem with the AirPod nozzle, keeping the silicone's thicker edge facing outward. You should push straight onto the nozzle and avoid forcing a twist that can deform the stem. Apply steady pressure until you feel or hear a subtle click. This is the tactile confirmation of a proper mount. Once attached, rotate the tip gently to confirm it's seated and the seal holds. If it wiggles, remove and reseat. A tight, even contact ensures sound isolation. Finish by inserting the AirPod and doing a push-in seal fit check. Push in and slightly twist to create a snug seal. You should feel reduced outside noise. If the seal fails, make sure both nozzle and tip are clean, then try the next size up or down because small changes alter fit dramatically. Replace any stretched or torn tips. Degraded silicone will never seal. If problems persist, test with another ear or consult the manufacturer's fit guide. A proper seal is essential for base and call quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.